Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
The workers front near the say other teacher unions no almost so I can say almost every money more kwakusi September say not grad consent and what have you almost say by September na say almost so aban hwe almost kasimbi and almost condition of service anya ho adwuma mo ombeko now GMA so I can say by October almost so ebeko omo indicate so almost nya ombeko ye kasa se see you tax so ewo ho eh dey asem
well the American said share period here this must be expected me enipa me envisage all these problems say ever happen 2021 even into 2022.
Okay. Ade.
Say our economy, the growth rate, enam 6.7% in 2019. Now all of a sudden, about 0.9% here, in 1% here. Can who say? The gross domestic product is shrinking.
Yeah.
It
will reduce.
Until we say, Obekono, Ejuma Kromo, you already, you yedi. Now, can who say, most of the workers we know, breadwinners.
Yeah.
Ubia Wabusia. Go to the extent the cry and the Irenema, who you free more. Abusia be a sanso detchire, or Fasiane, my many papa. And so many na account. If you cry here, woman, we are no essence so can. If you so cry, woman, a fair as soft or crowd, sorry there. And so can. Enti enye easy say obi I understand your concern. Enye easy say obi standard of living. And so tiabe from very few people. And na onum ever accepted say the ne bia me enjoy so tia ebi kura the car kura si ana car say ye no ka kire na ire say yankofro trotro nye me nyina na beji atum say
the problem about
car no kura
the problem about
trotro no memfro what we say the city but sometimes what we must recognize and say what say ensu agitum say ewiase nyina no I go through this trauma. You knew we are seeing free, but before Christ and lie, and the third year, into own lie, Nibiana. They call Rwanda, no moody D. Papa, who rather be a more the open heart. Now they are queuing to bag half a bag of rice every month for a family. Yeah, the card, national ID card, and yeah, the cotton. Okwa ni akloko ntu to bi wo shop A ya akloko ntu ko shop B se o san akoto a ye se wedi kan atoko ye nton bi ma. It is not so in Ghana. Enti enipa suffer kasa enipa bre under this COVID period. Germany no mo kra nde ya me ne wo kase countries bi wo okra no a omo da so wo lockdown. Ya ebi kura wo sorry a wontimi nko wura shop say me didwa me yese enti bebre economic activity atia be form ekura enti so de ba Ghana eya bebre no so no entia se ebi kura gidi se on say very few people and a person even the elitists omo a enim finance kura no very few people na person jitum say COVID enya impact wo Ghana so bebre se nya no kore government revenue government Mingura Jubilee House enko hu dua bi se ana moye de na munye sika de ye government money sir odi pieka ene de ode ye no eye taxes ene borrowing ene oye ene odi miti the commitment e maybe It is all economy said the necessity near Kase afon wa be 0.9% from 6.7. Ka who said e be a twegu ankasa. It affect aban nyate economy no perform say no revenue trend ni nyina so di so bi. Revenue mobilization trend no so nyina di so bi. Enti wo ye economic realist ya wo gi bibi tumu na nka America fo nkotwa trillions engum at America ye infrastructure what is what print is ka now they are conceding say revenue generation difficult
into
wo mu be test kagum into wo mu print is ka Ghana we don't have that way it pressure be buy so into eduru mra e wo se ye ne wo mo entrance ye Ghana na enya problems no obi obebe bia that problem we can't run away from that nipa enso ne ne wo mo kasa I know the government is capable enough ye wo nipa ye no on betra se edins awoso to address this problem womunso nim say eye womunso a responsibility to help and assist Ghanaians ebi abi wo hokura ewuo na beba ewuo no wunim ba bi ebire minim doctor bi a wakọ strike a ono ne papa ewu afem ono nso ka strike for no ono so papa enya heart attack esofa wu bi okọ ono nso enya mpa na so okọ eno wo ko strike yenim ye nkwara school o mu komu a bebre nso ye parents wo nso maka ho bi wo mu relatives nso ka ho bi enti problem no it is a problem of Ghana enya ban aban bia no wa ni trimo ode pa me kamani beje pa se sika beba na fe ye tua enkrofo ka na minua no mo a ye ne wo mo na na kira de ye yi minua ubotom kunkum fam na nka ma hia wo na mani ade I will be very 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 happy. I will be very very happy and I'm praying say omo concern no omo de ba mesre abamu nipa mo benya kwanya ne wo mo ahia kasa bi okan ayese finance minister enye ne karata no nti na okan embusa ayese nti ono na ka ase mo nkopa dwuma foforo nyana na
say this is your official statement.
Okay me there mini hobby and me nim but what I'm saying is this is the time wa yenso ye kasam yenhwe ye kasam yi enam wo so mbeko strike union so yes ye beko strike ene aban so mu nipa ye ne wo no mbehia obi enhwe ne kasam yi asem bie ni ho abewi ase a solution
Yeah.
There will always be a solution.
Yeah, sure.
A solution. Now problems no. And yet now it will come and come and come and come. That is why we have government. The beba when the catcher will say after this threat of strike, there will never be another threat of strike.
They will.
So
they will.
Ebeba. Even if we cannot meet all, let us make concessions.
Simple as that.
Let us make concessions. Sabe, akora how do the soon job on sumwa. When masama e ka kire no, no wa ha say e bobo tofia ni di na dedin. Menka say bia tofe ni ebubo din sa. What say ebia yentimi ntua no saa mre ye mu odin ya and they are aware yan presenting message and kire wo mo in a way that they will also understand and they say university senior staff we mete here wo mo so te wo mo de wo mo so make concession so they will go back and work. It is a seminar definitely others no they will also go back and work say no wo mo kasa yi maybe the minimum say beba COVID period or maybe enya ni easy
104.3 wotumi ntaake.